Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner to find out what the transmission oil temperature is on your Audi. So this is very important because if you're trying to let's say you're looking to check the transmission fluid level, or you're trying to add transmission fluid, you need to know and set the transmission at a certain temperature before you can actually check or add more fluid. So let's go. We're going to start from the home screen. You want to press diagnostics, then you press Audi, and then you can select smart VIN. Smart VIN. If it doesn't detect it through the smart VIN, you can manually select the model, but in this case it detected. This is a 2021 Audi Q5, and this is a USA market SUV. Engine side, this is, you have TFSI, so this is all the gasolines. If you selected the non-USA model, you see the diesel versions as well in this list. Let me go back here. If you go with that option, then you have a lot more options. So because you were seeing the worldwide Audi models in here, including the USA versions. But this is a 2.0 gasoline engine. Okay, and you might need to have the hood open in some cases to be able to look at live data, but in this case we are good. Go to diagnostics, go to control modules, go to auto trans control system, and then go to live data and all data stream. Select all, press OK. It does take a second here to populate. Now there's a lot of data points, over 60 different data points. The transmission monitor, so you can look at all of them. Here you have the name, you have the values and the units on the right. So you have to scroll down quite a bit to find the actual temperature of the transmission. There's a lot of live data that it's being monitored, solenoids, temperature levels and so on. There's a lot of data here, but let's just scroll down until we look for the control module temperature. That's not the one that you were looking for though. Let's keep going. It monitors how many hours transmission or the car has run, torque RPM, transmission RPM. You can see that for this slippage or anything like that. We're almost there. Here we are. So you can see sometimes there might be a couple of sensors that monitor the transmission fluid temperature, but if you look here, the one you're looking for is ATF temperature, and then it's 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit. What you can do is you can graph any of these values, up to 4 values. You can graph that value, just pick it here, and then you can drive and then monitor it until it reaches the temperature that you're looking for. But that's how you check the transmission fluid temperature on Audi vehicles. There's a lot more data here. I'm only going like a quarter way through these data. There's a lot more, and again, because we enter the transmission control module, we're really looking mainly at data from the transmission control module. You might see like the voltage of the battery as well, and some like engine temperature in this one. But to really look at engine data, you will want to go to engine control unit and then look at live data in there, because this focuses on the conductor plates, shift solenoid values, how much current they're drawing and so on. So this is great for troubleshooting, but you also keep in mind that you can also read the codes and clear them with this from any of the control modules on this car. So that's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.